Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cotton bud production. A process often overlooked yet essential to our daily routines. We'll be taking a look at a specialized, highly efficient machine that transforms raw materials into those everyday essentials we all use, demonstrating the precision and automation involved in bringing these seemingly simple items to life. Let's begin by examining the key components of this impressive machine. First and foremost, we have the plastic stick feeder. These small, yet crucial plastic sticks are the very foundation upon which the cotton buds are built. Next, we have the cotton supply, typically stored in large rolls or bales, ensuring a continuous flow of the raw material. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, we have the sophisticated wrapping mechanism, the core of the machine, where the magic truly happens. It's here that the cotton is precisely and expertly applied to the plastic sticks, forming the characteristic bud shape we recognize so well. The entire process starts with the plastic sticks. They are meticulously and continuously fed into the machine, one by one, with remarkable precision. The machine's intelligent and ingenious design ensures a smooth and continuous supply of these sticks, thereby preventing any frustrating jams or costly interruptions in the production process. The sticks are moved along a precisely engineered track, each one carefully positioned and perfectly prepared for the subsequent, critical stage. Now, the cotton, the other primary ingredient, comes into play. The machine deftly pulls cotton from its dedicated supply source. The amount of cotton extracted is carefully calibrated. This precise measurement guarantees the perfect formation of the bud. This is where the magic truly unfolds. It is within the wrapping mechanism that the raw materials transform into the familiar product. The wrapping mechanism then expertly and precisely wraps the cotton onto both ends of the plastic stick with a seamless and continuous motion. As the machine works, it delicately rotates each stick, ensuring that the cotton is evenly distributed and securely attached, meticulously creating the familiar bud shape that we all recognize. This intricate process is then repeated on the other end of the stick, thus completing the cotton bud with efficiency and precision. Following the wrapping process, the newly formed cotton buds often undergo a thorough and rigorous quality control check. This critical step is absolutely essential to ensure that each and every cotton bud meets the stringent and demanding standards for both quality and hygiene. The machine utilizes a variety of highly sensitive sensors and advanced inspection technologies to carefully examine each bud. If any individual bud is found to fail the comprehensive and meticulous tests, it is automatically and efficiently removed from the production line, thus maintaining the high standards of quality. Once approved after the stringent quality checks, the flawless cotton buds are finally deemed ready for the crucial packaging stage. The finished product, now perfectly formed and ready for its ultimate purpose, is meticulously packaged. This preparation ensures that the buds are ready for efficient distribution. From the factory floor, the now packaged cotton buds make their way to stores and distribution centers, where they await their final destination. They are ready to be used by consumers for a wide variety of purposes, from personal care to cleaning. In conclusion, this is a detailed look at the streamlined and efficient process behind creating the ubiquitous cotton buds we all use daily. It showcases an automated and remarkably efficient process that allows for mass production, thereby ensuring that these small, yet essential, items are readily available wherever they are needed. Thank you for watching.